Too nice today to not get out, so I thought I'll bring you along on my favourite loop alongside the stunning Chesterfield Canal on what is the southern point of the Trans Pennine Trail. And I thought, while I'm out, I may as well tell you about some little plans we've got for this year. So if you watched our Great Home video, we've already told you what our big trip's going to be this year. So if you didn't watch that and you want to know what the big trip is, you'll have to go and watch that. To get ready for our big trip, we've got a lot of stuff planned. Day rides, 2-day rides, weekend trips, bike packing, touring, all the usual stuff that you've come to enjoy on the channel. And if this is the first video you've seen of the channel, then do have a look back, because me and Lisa, we do get around the country quite a bit and into Europe this summer, but you'll need to go and watch the Great Home video to find out what that is. So in just a few weeks time, we're off to Mallorca, just for a week with the boys. They're a bit older now, they're adults, but it's nice that they still want to spend a bit of time with mum and dad. Yeah, so we're going to hire some bikes in Mallorca and we'll have a couple of days of cycling and then do some sightseeing, all that good stuff. And then we've also got some 2-3 days planned. We're definitely going to go and do the Coal and Canopy Way full route, because that looks a cracker. Based on the two that I've already done, the Cloud Loop and the Cannock Loop, I'm really looking forward to doing the full one. Looks awesome. So there's that. And then I've got a couple of DIY ones. So I've got another coast-to-coast avoiding crossing major rivers route planned down south, somewhere probably Somerset across to Kent-ish, something like that. Needs finalising. We'd also like to do the Wolf Way. We did the Rebellion Way a good number of years ago now, before the channel, and loved that. So we might see if we can get the Wolf Way in. There's Hadrian's Way, which is another coast to coast, but we'll have to see. There's the Coast and Castles south, which goes Newcastle to Edinburgh, the coastline there. It's on the list. Whether we get to it or not is another matter. But the one I'm really looking forward to, and one I definitely think we will get in this year, I think I've mentioned before, I used to be in the RAF. And the first unit we were at, RAF Coltishall, just above Wroxham on the Norfolk Road, sadly now closed in 2006, unfortunately. It was my favourite posting, but the 3 units I served at all seemed to form a convenient line-ish from Coltishall to home. So roughly 190 miles, taking in some old railways, canals, all the good stuff that you know the channel for. So yeah, stick around if you want to see that. I'm really looking forward to that one, because it's going to bring back some nice memories for me. So we're just at Staveley now, look, and this is the newest lock being built on the UK canal network. They're restoring this section of canal going round under the bridge. If you remember, the bridge went in about 18 months ago. So I'm going to go up on the bridge and have a look. I like to nip down and keep an eye on it, and then I'll show you when we get up there. Take a look. UK's newest canal lock. A deep one, isn't it? I think it's due to be finished November 26th. The plan is. Yeah, it's cool. So we're now on my most favourite stretch of all railway to ride. The old Great Central Railway from Renishaw to Rolla Valley Country Park. Absolutely gorgeous. And what makes it gorgeous is not only these awesome bridges, but the fact that the Chesterfield Canal is right alongside it there, the abandoned section, under that bridge there, look, follows it nearly all the way down. It's about a mile. It's called the Straight Mile. And the Chesterfield Canal used to go over that way and follow the contours of the land, but when this railway was built they had to re-divert it, so that's why that's there. If you want to know a bit more about the Chesterfield Canal, have a watch of my video where I rode the entire length from Chesterfield to West Stockwith where it meets the Trent, 46 miles, and I tell you, whew, that was a testing day, that was. First 20 miles were glorious. The last 26 were not. But you'll have to watch the video if you want to find out why. Yeah, this is my, oh, look at that. I mean, oh, it just makes me so happy, this stretch of old railway with the canal. There's the towpath, look, see it next to them fence posts. And then the disused canal's just below it. Absolutely stunning. Really is. Food for the soul. What a glorious day today. St. Patrick's Day today. And it's 16 degrees. I've got my shorts on. Can you believe it? Yesterday were freezing. Beautiful. Look at that. Just, yes. I'm going to spin it round soon. I'll tell you what, let's go to Kilmarsh station and we'll stop there today. We'll not go all the way to Rolla Valley. Right, so we're just coming into one of Kilmarsh's former stations. It used to have 3 in very short, close proximity to each other. Now has 0. Look at that, that is awesome. Look at that, that's a nice vista, isn't it? what a beautiful day. Hey, hey, what a beautiful day.